In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few of my favorite extensions to use as a teacher. As you can see, I'm using Google Chrome as my web browser. If you look at the top of my screen, you see that I have different tabs open. Here, you see bookmarks that I have. If you notice, these bookmarks don't have any text next to it. By deleting the text, it makes for more room for all your bookmarks. So by right-clicking on the bookmark, going to Edit, and deleting the name, it'll take away that text and give you more room. Up here you see the extensions that I have, and I'd like to highlight a few. This is the goo.gl URL shortener. By clicking on it, it creates a shortened URL to the page that you are on, but it also gives you a QR code that you can use right away. This is the extension for Google Voice. If somebody leaves me a message, I can see it right here without having to leave the page that I'm currently on. This one is an extension for sending something from your Gmail. So if I'm reading an interesting article and I think somebody else might want to read it, I can click on that and it will open up a new window with my email, so I can send directly from this page. This is the split screen application. When you click on that, it opens a new page and allows you to put two URLs in here, so you could be watching a video and taking notes. This is Save to Drive. If I'm somewhere and I find something that I want to save, by clicking on this, it will do a screenshot of my page and it will send it right to my drive. This is my Gmail. It shows me how many different emails I have not read. This is Shareaholic. By clicking on this, I can share what's on my page with many different social media sites. Pinterest is a great way to share things with other people, and by having the Pinterest extension, I can search the web and bring it into Pinterest. This is Wunderlist. It allows me to archive things that I like on the web into different lists that I can access anywhere. This is a timer. By clicking on this, I can keep track of time in my classroom. I can choose how many minutes I want the timer to run for. And at the end of the time, it'll play a nice calming tone. You'll also see that if I click away from the timer, the time continues to run out here. By clicking the extension, it will stop the tone. In this video, I showed you some of my favorite extensions as well as different ways to use the Chrome web browser and personalize it for yourself.